So I'm going to record the video of integration app. So I'm on the login screen. Here is my username and password. I'll provide my email and password over here, which is test9, and then I'll continue. After continuing to this, I'll go to the login page. After successful login, there are the two buttons, which is new migration and existing migration page. In the new migration, I click on the new migration button. After clicking on new migration, I select FileMaker. First of all, we used to select FileMaker, which is the select source platform. After FileMaker selection, I'll use the URL, FileMaker URL and database name, which is contacts, and I'll provide the FileMaker username and password, which is Pipedrive username and password. Then I'll click on the test connection. You can see our DP has been connected. So I'll click on the continue button. After clicking on the continue button, I'll select on the destination platform, which is Shopify. After Shopify, I'll click on the Shopify URL. I'll provide Shopify URL. Then I'll provide the token. I think this one is the token. Okay, my connection is successful. Okay, so I'm on the map source column destination column to destination. So I provide over here the source table name, which is web. I'll select this table, and after that I'll start adding the values in the respective columns, like record ID. So you will use record ID. For column description, I'll add time. For Shopify product type, I'll currency. Then I'll add origin. I'll add metaphor, Shopify active. I'll add product image. Okay. So an ID. I'll take cross, and then I'll put the input FileMaker row for filtering FileMaker row, and I'll save migration. You can see my migration saved successfully, and after that I'll click on the test migration button. After clicking on the test migration button, you can see the migration test successful. I'll click run full migration. Okay, so my full migration is completed, and the source platform destination from where my products are migrated. So you can see this is the source platform destination, and this is the name of my migration. There is 9 and start date, end date, and these are the credentials. From here I can edit, test, run full migration, add the scenario, or update something, like I'm going to update to status meta field, and then I'll update over here. So after updation, I can run migration. Okay, so full migration is also run, completed, and then see one row added here. So from here I'll check. Okay, you can see these are the two products added in my migration. Okay, then after that, existing migration, I'll go to home, and now I'll show you the migration from WooCommerce to Shopify. I click on the new migration just like previous one. Now I select over here the source platform as WooCommerce. I'll provide URL. Here we have to provide consumer key and consumer secret. These two we will provide, and I have check. I'm gonna save over here. Let me just add it. Okay, so this is my key. This is consumer key, and that's the secret. Okay, and I click on the test connection. Okay, you can see my DB has been connected. I'll click on the continue. After continuing, I'll click on the Shopify. Shopify, and then I'll add, just like the previous one, Shopify URL and credentials, which is this one, and I'll click on the continue. Okay, my connection of WooCommerce to Shopify is also continued. Now I'll add different values in the columns accordingly where I used to migrate the products. Okay, so and I'll test migration. I'll click on the run full migration. And you can see the full migration run, which is from WooCommerce to Shopify. I click on this, and that's the scenario. Migration from WooCommerce, which is our source platform, to destination platform Shopify is also succeeded. And I click here and refresh it to see the products. This is my Shopify store where we used to see all the products. Let's just get it refresh. So you can see these are the products in commerce, and these two are the products from Shopify, FileMaker to Shopify. So that's the entire video.